Hi, so today is going to be all about the hip. Many people have hip restrictions, and a lot of people have hip issues, especially for us women. We tend to have one side of the pelvis a little bit corked or turned or rotated, however way you want to say. But we always have this muscular imbalance. So we tend to have a lot of achiness or tightness or what have you. So it's in our best interest to keep them mobile as well as to strengthen them. So we're going to try to do both. Sitting up nice and tall. I'm leaning back a little bit with my hands on the floor. And if you can't open your knees way out wide like this, that's fine. You might be here. Keep your feet flat. We're just going to close our knees and open. And close our knees and open. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, and then you're going to bring your knees back up. You're just going to rotate your knees to the left or lower your knees to the left and then go to the right. Just going side by side, swaying our knees side by side. 3, 4, and 5. I keep going forward, but you get the point. So from there, we're going to go ahead and come onto our backs. And as you lay here, grab a hold of the left knee and then just rotate your hip out in a circular motion. Out and in. Just getting some mobility in that hip. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. And then draw it up to your chest. And relax. Same thing on the right. We're going to rotate out and in, out and in, out and in. 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's amazing that in itself is a lot of activity for your hips. We're going to go ahead and let your knees to the left and then go to the right, nice and slow. We did this in a seated position. It allows the hip muscles to sort of stretch and back, go the other way and back, another way and back and forth. Back and forth, back and forth. Good. This time what I want you to do is I want you to straighten the left leg straight up. If you can only go so far, that's fine. I just want you to make tiny little circles. Out and in. 2. And try not to move your pelvis. Don't let your body rock all the way. But try to control it through your core. Inhaling out and exhaling back, small little circles. Inhaling and exhaling, really feeling a lot of control from your core. 3, 4, and 5. Good. And then the other way. In and out. In and out. 3, 2, and 1. Great. Oh, I'm having left hip issues lately, and that was a lot of work for me as well. Straighten the right leg. You're going to circle out and in, out and in. 3, 4, 5. And then go down and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oof. Hug your knees in, love on them a little bit, and sway your hips side to side, side to side. And then from there, let's go ahead and bridge up nice and slow and back. Just gently, lifting gently up and down, and 2, and down. I don't need you to go all the way up, just nice little motions rocking your pelvis up and down. 2, 3, 4. It's really soothing. It feels really good because the back side of your glutes are working. And 1, and back. I want you to go ahead and cross the left ankle on top of the right knee. And keep it there. Make sure you keep your pelvis square. You're going to gently lift up and down. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And left ankle down, right ankle on top of the left. Just gentle lifts up and down. Very easy. And 2. Try to see if you can engage your core, like really tune into your core and feel these muscles work. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Cross that ankle and pull that knee up. Or if this is enough for you and this is a lot of stretch, just press the hip away from you. Okay, and that might be enough stretch. I'm going to choose to pull it up and pull this knee up as I push my left knee away with my left elbow. I'm going to take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And lower down to the other side. Right ankle on top of the left knee. Lift your left knee up and pull the left knee towards your chest. Take a deep breath in and exhale. 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 And there you go. That was a very nice and easy hip opener and hip exercises to help you kind of control that hip pain.